it's equals to the whole real number. So let's use interval be the universal set. And let's define A to be just 2 open, 3 close. And B, it's equals to from minus infinity to minus 1 union 3 to infinity. So we want to find what is A complement, be the first one. And second, we want to find also what is B complement. So this kind of question, it's better to use our number line. So this is universal set is the whole R. So this is the whole R. And A is, so this is the whole R, which is this, minus infinity to infinity. So let's start with A. A is, this is 0. A is 2 to 3. So this is 2. And this, let's say this is 3. So 2 is open and 3 is closed. So if we want to find A prime in this situation, or A complement, remember we said it is every element that in the universal set, but not inside A, right? So here, we're going to take every element that is inside the universal set, which is the interval minus infinity to infinity, but not in A. But look at this is A here. So what will be A prime? A prime will be all of this, all this part, and also all of this part. This will be our A prime, because all these are inside what? The universal set from minus infinity to infinity, but not in A. So in order to write it now, this will be this first part. I'm dealing with this part now. Is nothing but minus infinity up to where? Here. But if you look at this place, 2 is open, right? So you can see that 2 is not inside A, but it's inside this part. So it's going to be from minus infinity to 2 close. So this take care of this part. Then union. Now in this second part, you see that 3 is inside A. So you cannot take 3 because you remember, by definition, you need every element that are inside U but not in A. So it means you are going to start from 3 open now to where? To infinity. So this is A prime. Okay, then now let's talk about B prime. For B prime, the same thing. We will draw again. So what is B? You see B, if this is 0, B is from minus infinity to minus 1. So B is the whole of this, open. And also from 3, open, to where? To infinity. So this is all B. This is part of B, and this is also part of B. So B has 2 parts. So to find B prime now is going to be this part, just from here to here. So B prime, remember, is going to be every element that are inside the universal set, but not inside what? B, right? And so this is just going to be from minus 1, but now minus 1 is going to be closed, because you can see minus 1 is open in B, so it's going to be closed. So it's not, so minus 1 is not in B, right? But minus 1 is going to be in what? In B prime. And also here, you see 3 is not in what? It's not in B. So we're going to stop at where? At 3. All right. And that is it. So this is how to find complement if you have this type of sets. You have a universal set that is given in terms of real, the whole real line.